Hey guys, today I'm going to learn on how to archive posts on Instagram. And all you have to do is to launch the Instagram application. Then while you're here, you are going to tap on your profile. You're going to tap on the three lines, and then you're going to tap on archive. From here, you're going to tap on this arrow, and then you're going to tap on post archive. From there, you're going to tap on the post that you would like to unarchive. Then you are going to tap on the three dots, and then here you are going to tap on the three lines, and then you're going to tap on show on profile, and they're going to tap on show on profile again. And from there, the archive posts that we once had will be removed, and that's how you'll be able to remove the post. You can see we do not have any posts. And once we go back to our profile and refresh our profile page, we will be able to see it here. And thank that's for today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.